today it's my honour to introduce to you a little treat that Baxi sent out to me recently. It's their new release, latest and greatest, Baxi 800 Combi 2.
As you can see, there are no more polystyrene innards. They've been replaced with robust vertical eco packaging.
Now the boiler's still lightweight and it'll fit in a 290ml deep cupboard. The moment you've all been waiting for. Let's take a look inside.
It's now possible to do a manual conversion from natural gas to LPG with no additional accessory kit required. It has colour-coded and removable wiring blocks, so it's easier to wire, and it is compatible with OpenTherm.
Now this is the absolute beast that we noticed to the left here, which is the preheated condensate trap.
And the PRV is really clever. It's got a built-in drain valve. Twist that yellow nut, drain the boiler without disturbing the PRV. Of course, it's still got a stainless steel heat exchanger.
It's very quiet. I'm very impressed with that.
So I really enjoyed this installation. I did really like the original 800, and I feel like this boiler is just an improvement on the 800 as it was anyway.
It really is a TARDIS boiler. It's got so much room inside for working on if you have to, and yet still manages to fit very nicely into a standard wall-hung kitchen cupboard.
Still the same great Baxi boiler, just, well, Baxier. Job's a good one.